guys and girls, I'm wearing one of my favorite BelleTress styles. This is Amaretto. Now I have done a wig review on Amaretto in the past, so I'm not going to do a complete wig review in this video. In fact, I will leave you the link to the wig review of this style under this video in the video description box. So if you'd like to see it, you can click on that and watch. But we're here today to look at this gorgeous color, Vanilla Lush. Now, I've known that Vanilla Lush has been available at BelleTress, but I just never saw the color and I just wasn't that interested in it. I wear Amaretto. It's one of my favorite mid-length styles. And so I ordered it in Vanilla Lush so I could take a look at this color. And let me tell you, I absolutely love this color. It has just a very pale strawberry blonde through it. Let's get up close here and take a look. This is a blend of warm, medium, golden blonde with very pale strawberry blonde and light honey blonde throughout. These are not highlights. The medium golden blonde, the pale strawberry blonde, and the light honey blonde are blended together. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. If you're interested in purchasing Amaretto or any of the BelleTress styles in this beautiful Vanilla Lush color, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry BelleTress in all of the beautiful styles and colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now when you get to their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you wear Amaretto or you have worn Vanilla Lush, we would love to hear your experience with this style and color. Well, thank you so much for watching my color spotlight. Have a great day. Bye-bye.